Hey everybody, in the last couple videos, we showed the SPS deck and Hive inbound swaps. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a Hive outbound swap, which means swapping Hive into any L1 asset listed on Maya. So let's get started. First thing you're going to do, connect wallet. We have XDeFi or Keystore, and then so you can choose either one. I'm going to do Keystore for this, and then make sure you select Hive Network, and then it's going to ask you to enter your Hive username. So I'm going to do that here, and then hit connect, and then I just got to choose my Keystore, enter the decryption password, and now you can see I'm signed in. If I open my wallet, you can see all the different balances here: Arbitrum, Hive, Ethereum, Thorchain, etc. So for this tutorial, like I said, we're going to do an outbound, which means that we're going to swap Hive into an L1 asset. So I would choose Hive in the input, and then I'm going to choose an L1 asset in the output. So obviously all these different assets are available. I'm going to do Rune for this tutorial. So I'm going to do Rune, and then I'm going to do 20 Hive. And then you can see the estimated output. Sorry, just making sure the recording's still going. All right, we're good. So the estimated output is 1.04 Rune for 20 Hive. You can see it's actually going to be a negative fee, which basically just means that there's going to be a profit on this swap. I talked about this in some of the other videos, but due to some price discrepancies, sometimes you can actually make a profit instantly on these swaps through kind of like built-in arbitrage, if you will. So that can either work in your favor or not work in your favor. It tends to work in your favor for Hive outbound swaps. That's just kind of the way the pricing is going with the current market dynamics. You know, cacao is kind of outperforming the rest of the market, which gives us some positive outbound quoting of the prices. So I'm going to do 20 Hive, and I should get 1.04 Rune. So I'm going to hit swap tokens, and it's going to say convert 20 Hive to Rune. You can't see this on the recording, but a Hive keychain window just popped up asking me to convert Hive to swap.hive. So I hit confirm on that, and we'll give it a second. Obviously, on the Hive side of things, they happen very fast. So through this 5-step process of the aggregator, you'll notice that for an outbound at least, the front loading happens, or sorry, it's kind of backloaded where, in the beginning of the swap, it's very fast. In the end of the swap, it'll be a little bit slower since things on Maya and Thorchain are a little bit slower than Hive. So another keychain window popped up, asked me to confirm swapping Hive into Leo. And now it just asked me to aggregate Leo to Arbitrum through a keychain pop-up. I hit confirm on that, and it says aggregating Leo to Arbitrum Leo. And it says this may take up to 10 minutes to confirm on chain. Like I said in some of the other videos, it usually only takes about 60 seconds or less for that to happen. But we did just say it takes up to 10 minutes just because we'd rather overestimate than underestimate. And you can see it already aggregated, and then it already swapped it as well into Rune. So it said swapped 74.867 Leo to 1.0374 Rune. And now, as soon as that is like fully confirmed, it will close the window automatically and show me it on the tracker. You can see here, transaction tracker updated, and now you can see the 20 Hive into 1.04 Rune. If you view this in the Explorer, it will take you to Maya Scan, and it will show you the Leo to Rune swap. You can see that it's still pending here. So like I said, it can take up to 10 minutes to confirm on chain for this process as well. It kind of depends on the output asset that you chose. That's just kind of how these different blockchains work. So if you choose something like Ethereum or Bitcoin, it may take a little bit longer. I've seen it take as much as 15 minutes to fully confirm on chain. And then obviously for Rune or Cacao, they're usually a little bit faster. So refreshing this again, and it still says pending. So this swap is pending, but there's nothing left for us to do other than wait. Oh, and here you go. So I've got the Rune. So if you remember, my balance of Rune was basically 0, and now it's saying 1.05. So I obviously got the 1.04 Rune that we were waiting for. My camera's covering it in the wallet screen, but I have the Rune in my wallet. This Maya Scan transaction still says pending, but we obviously know that it's confirmed if it's in my wallet. And now you can see it's not saying pending anymore. And that's it. So actually that took less than 5 minutes. So pretty quick, pretty easy. You can see, honestly, it's faster than using, and I use a centralized exchange to trade Hive all the time. And between the amount of time it takes to send Hive to the centralized exchange wallet, wait for it to get into the centralized exchange wallet because they wait for a certain amount of confirmations. Then I have to, swap the Hive into something else using the exchange interface, and then withdraw whatever I got into one of my wallets. By the time I do all that, it's honestly slower than using LeoDex, which, like you just saw, took 5 minutes to do the same process. And it was all decentralized and on the blockchain. So you can't get that anywhere else. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.